big old truck. Damn, dude. Did he go? What's up, Chris? You ride too fast for your boots.
Listen, I have a stop. Listen, okay. Back here, I came with Jake and
Back here?
Yes, no, but listen. I came here with my friend. We were walking, dude, and there was this creepy ass guy. Okay, And
back
when
here,
we
no, it
seen him,
wasn't.
We asked him, we were cool with him, and from there on out, we just kept seeing him. He would follow us, and as soon as we would see him, he would just go behind a tree and disappear, and you wouldn't see him again.
Dude, don't worry, we'll fucking kill some.
I swear to God, dude, but it was scary back here.
Not back here, up at your house.
No, me and Jay came to this one, a Boston spot. He goes, we're about to go neutral on Boston spot.
How'd you get here?
It, because it was with, it was with fucking,
Mike.
what's his name?
Am I riding too fast or my brakes just not working?
No, you're riding too fast for your brakes.
Yeah. Let me see my drink real quick. I'm kind of
I could
thirsty.
use that too.
You're bleeding on the elbow.
And with
Dude,
Austin
aren't these
Keith.
trails pretty sick though?
Yeah, they're not. We're not supposed to be riding on them.
Dude, this fuck, that's anyway.
They're mountain bike tracks. I'm not hitting those. They're mountain bike jumps.
Last time I was here, none of that was there.
Those, I would not hit that on a bike. They'd
Fuck
collapse.
no. Fuck no.
They would collapse, dude. Holy fucking shit, buddy. Fucking gnarly, dude. You guys fucking no way.
That way and fucking look at all the other trails?
Let's do it.
We could go.
Or were there more trails that? Oh yeah, we could go right that way, right? The way that we just went down.
Oh.